the security alarm system and camera in my house. Guys, recently I just bought a house, so and I got this thing installed. I said, let me give it a try. So I just want to encourage us parents. We need this stuff. It's very important. It can save life. Now I see the importance. Especially at that time I was living in an apartment. I didn't even see the importance of it. So when they approached me, I was like, I don't need it. For what? Now I see the importance. We all need this thing. If you need it, you can always use my this thing, my referral link, and you get it for a very affordable price. So what I'm using is Vivint. I'm using the company Vivint. Okay. So there was a day I came in from work. I was so tired, guys. I put pot on the fire. I went upstairs. So I dozed off. The pot was burning. I was up there. Nothing. So the alarm started alarming. Even up there, I was deep asleep. I could not even get it. I could not even hear it. It was a company, the security company that called me. They said, because my house is connected to their system, so whatever is going on here, they can see it. So when they see it, they react immediately. So they got the smoke. They called me and they were asking me, is everything okay? Because they can get a smoke detector coming, or it's alerting their system that there's something is burning in my house and all those stuff. So when they called me, I quickly jumped. I came out of I ran to the kitchen and I turned it off. Just imagine what would have happened if I was not having this system installed in my house. Imagine. And I have a neighbor recently that unfortunately the kitchen catch fire in the middle of the night. They were sleeping, and you know whatever happened, I really don't know, but all of a sudden there was fire. And so they had to, they struggled to put it off. They called the 911 and fire department people to come out. So I was talking with the daughter, and the daughter was like, "Oh, if we had this in our kitchen wouldn't have burned down." So guys, this thing is very important. Sometimes I know we try to save money, like try to, but it's very good, especially when you have kids. It saves life. I can testify for this. I used to be like you. I used to be like, I don't need all those stuff. Why do I need it? Now I see the importance of it. Okay, guys. So that's what the little thing that I have. I just wanted to share with you guys. Very, very important. You just come there. If you want to call, right? You want to call the ambulance. There's a icon there. You just tap it. Let me take you guys quickly there. You just let me take you guys there. So this is the system. This is what I have. There's an emergency. You just hit this, and it's going to connect to their system, and they'll be coming out. And if there's fire, you can also hit this, but they will they're going to receive the smoke detector in their system, and they'll come out. And this is for panic. You just need to touch any of this button, and there will be solution. Someone is running behind you. You are being attacked in your house. There's a gun or there's a knife or at your face, and your phone has been taken away from you. You just need to struggle, and once you can even come closer to this thing, just punch it. Some of them, they will not even realize that, hey, you have a camera, and they'll be carrying out their act. They don't know that your camera is taking them. But you have to also try to hit the button so that the police or they can come out to rescue you. So this is very important. This is guys, this is helpful. So I just want to encourage us parents that we need it, guys. So try and get it for the good of your family. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Drop me any comments. Thank you. Bye now. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you all are doing? I hope you guys are doing great, awesome. As for me, I'm good by the grace of God. Wow. Thank you all for your support and your love, guys. You guys are just the best. Okay, guys. So for those of you who are new here, I am called Julian. And I want to say this channel is dedicated to my life experiences. And I'll be also bringing you videos on relationship, comedy, Bible recitation, health and wellness, and much more. Okay, guys, so please show me some love by hitting the subscription button and turning on your notification bell so that you'll be updated each time there's a new video. Okay, so guys, please show your girls some love. You're welcome to this family. We are one, we are together. I love you guys back to back. I can't thank you guys enough. So guys, we are one, we are together. Please show your girls some love, okay? Bye.